Welcome back. I'm Preston with HotTubSupply.com, and today we're going to finish, or I guess we're not going to finish, but we're going to continue the process of filling up our tub, whether that's a new hot tub or swim spa, or one that we've drained to clean and reset. So now that we've added the Metal Protect, which referenced our previous video where we talked about that, we're filling the water in the tub with this pre-filter. Once again, go back and review the video if you haven't seen that yet. The next step is to adjust pH, and really this is a standard practice for all hot tubs, regardless of what the manufacturer is. So you want to make sure you have a balanced pH. So the recommendation that we provide is to get these instant test strips. These can be found on our website, hottubsupply.com. We'll have a link posted below in the description of this video. But these instant test strips check for a couple things. So first of all, you have pH, alkalinity, and then free chlorine. These are the three main components of most hot tubs that you want to be monitoring and make sure you have a balance. So you want to balance pH first. The next step is alkalinity, which is really tied to pH. So as the pH adjusts up and down, your alkalinity should move concurrently with the pH. So we're going to go over pH right now. These two products can also be found on our website, hottubsupply.com. So we've got pH and alkalinity down, and then we've got pH up. You're going to determine which one you need based off of these check strips. Or if you get an easy startup kit from our website, this should include both the pH up and pH down, and you can adjust accordingly. So it's a really simple test. You just take a strip, you've got these three little bars. So now you can see that I kept it in the water, shook it off, followed the instructions on this, and held it up to these lines, and I'm really going to try to match up. So you can see here on the pH line, I know that I'm high based off the color, but it's really not that far off. This is not a new hot tub, so I've adjusted the pH multiple times. So I know I just need to add about a capful or to a couple capfuls of pH to adjust it to this 7.2 to 7.8 range. Really, you want to be in about that 7.3 from a pH perspective. The alkalinity, like I said, should adjust with the pH, and then we'll talk about chlorine in the next video. But before I go to the next video, I just wanted to mention that you shouldn't really have to adjust pH on a day-to-day basis with your hot tub. This is really something that you initiate at the initial fill, and then you shouldn't have to adjust very often unless you're adding a lot of water or a lot of water splashed out and you're introducing new water to the system. So the pH should maintain pretty good over time, unless you're adding a lot of stuff to the water or you're adding new water. So with that, appreciate your time. We'll catch up with you guys in the next video where we talk about chlorine.